Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, group I decided to discuss the operation of the inverter air conditioner. So, my name is Mohamad Izzat. I will start with the introduction. So, for the introduction, firstly, the main difference between the conventional and modern air conditioner was the presence of inverter. For the compressor speed, the non-inverter air conditioners operate their compressors at fixed speeds, while inverter air conditioner can adjust the compressor speed. And the inverter air conditioner can lower the motor speed when the room is at a temperature with a low energy and refrigerant consumption. Lastly, power loss. Air conditioner with inverters have reduced power loss and can save in energy when compared to non-inverters type. Next, thank you.
And now I will discuss on the technology operations of the normal air conditioner and the inverter air conditioner. So for the normal air conditioner, the compressor runs at fixed speed, and once it cools the room, the compressor it cuts off. And once the room gets warm again, then the compressor will restart itself. Oppositely, for the inverter air conditioner, its compressor runs at variable speed, so once it cools the room, it will be adjusted to its minimum speed without being turned off, and it will automatically speed up once the room temperature rises. This will make the compressor of the inverter of air conditioner 3 times more efficient than the normal air conditioner, as it consumes less energy than the normal air conditioner. Furthermore, the normal air conditioner produces more noises compared to the inverter air conditioner. The compressor turns on and off to run operations, which causes a significant amount of noise, while for the inverter air conditioner, the compressor does not turn off and on, hence the operations is much quieter. Also, normal air conditioner usually use R22 refrigerant as a working fluid, which contains HCFC, where there is chlorine that harmful to the ozone layer, whereas for the inverter air conditioner, is normally use R410A refrigerant, also R32 refrigerant as working fluid, which contain only HFC, hydrofluorocarbon, hence the inverter air conditioner is more ozone friendly. Next, normal air conditioner its technology turn on and off numerously, which cause a lot of wear and tear to the system, making it not last longer than the inverter air conditioner. Whereas for the inverter air conditioner, the compressor maintains its speed, so there will be less wear and tear to the system, and this will cause its lifespan will last longer. So I will pass to the next presenter.
Okay, next we move to the circuit diagram of the inverter air conditioning system. There are three parts, which are the noise filter, the power factor correction, and also the inverter part. So next, I will be explain on the working principle of the system. In the first part, there are four diodes that are connected in which that help to convert the incoming power supply from AC to DC. Then the inductors and also the capacitors are placed before the converter to lower down the noise. And the second part, the power factor helps to reduce the harmonic current that will feed to the next part, which is the inverter. And in the third part, the proper signal is written in the software to power on and off the transistor at the correct timing. And the last is the brushless DC motor at the compressor can turn the motor either on and off.
Okay, we move for next part, which example of calculation of saving of money for household in term of 1 year. Okay, based on the graph, there are four graphs. The figure is illustrate that when of output temperature increase, the big difference between inverter and non-inverter appear on energy saving. Okay, the four different time. A is on July, B is on August, C is on September and D is on October. Okay, the blue one is non-inverter aircon and the yellow one is inverter aircon. So we can see the different reading of power consumption between inverter and non-inverter aircon. Okay, there is a example of power consumption calculation between non-inverter and inverter aircon. So for the non-inverter, we get the power consumption in a year, which is 3000 something, and for inverter we get 1000 something. So after we calculate the total power consumption for both, we can calculate the total saving per year. So the total saving per year is 1708 kilowatt. So by that we can calculate the percentage of saving. The percentage is 49%.
Move to the next session, which is conclusion. As conclusion for this presentation, inverter is preferable than one without inverter due to inverter one are more energy efficient, more eco-friendly, which is lower energy consumption, and installed with other features such as silent operation and dust filtering. The inverter one also will make us cut our daily costs as it lower energy consumption. As a result, inverter air conditioning are said to be more efficient. In Quran, God claims that in the world who are neither wasteful nor stingy are truly beautiful, which is 20. We can see from this plane and to the point that the Islam view the material world in a certain way and how we should use it. Even if we choose act themselves, we are obligated to exhibit moderation. Okay.